In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we visit the famous Pig Beach on Big Majors Cay and try not to get bit. After diving our Mantus anchor, we finally embark on a fuel odyssey at Staniel Key as we start our journey south along the Exumas. If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel.
It's pig time. Hey Lisa, how excited are you to be on Pig Beach?
Oh, I'm so excited.
You just can't hide it?
Sarcasm.
Yeah.
There you go. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on, hang on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dave.
Let them battle it out.
All right, just a second.
Here's a little one.
Wait a minute. There you go. Jesus.
All right, let's go.
There you go. Done. Done.
We had extra carrots, so we came over here to get rid of them because they were gone bad anyway, but not the most exciting place as far as we're concerned. And as for swimming along this beach, that's just the way to get smeared. There's a whole bunch of tour boats coming in and out.
They're very aggressive, and I don't want to get bit. People get bit all the time, and I'm not interested in getting bit. So we're out of here. That was good enough for me, man. I'm done. But yeah, there is a ton of people, as you can see here at Pig Beach. And there's a bunch of little babies over there. But people are swimming in this water. Tour boats are coming up at top speed. And there's people snorkeling. So you can imagine how dangerous that is. Plus, the pigs, as you can see, were attacking me. Wanting the carrots that I had in my hand. I just wanted to get rid of them. There's a pig swimming over there.
Oh, that's what they're famous for, is swimming. But I didn't want them climbing up on the dinghy.
So they're swimming with you, and they're most likely shitting in the water. So it's super gross. There's a shark. I think I got him.
Hey, Mercy.
Right here. Those people over there are going to get a big surprise if the shark decides to go and visit them.
So when you're diving and you're going underneath rock ledges and you're going inside these big caves on these islands, what is it you're worried about exactly?
That. You're swimming underneath it. If you're swimming underneath that and it suddenly lets go, like it could at any moment. I know the odds are very low, but look at that.
It's limestone though, how heavy could it be?
And then when it hits you, it's like a cheese grater on your skin. Look how much the water's eating away the limestone.
Along the shore you get these caves. Check this out. Now a lot of people don't know this, but that is the home of the Bahamian saltwater crocodile.
You're so full of shit, your eyes should be brown.
That's cool. Up ahead is Cruisers Beach.
That's where we're heading.
Well, let's head.
You can hear like birds and stuff, that's nice.
Yeah.
So, what are we doing today, Captain Dave?
Beaching. Life's a beach.
Today we're on the beach?
We're on Cruisers Beach.
Yeah.
On Big Farmers Cay.
This is not Big Farmers Cay.
This is the same key. This is... No, it's not. This is Big Majors Cay. Because I can't get my big keys straightened out.
It's not the only thing. Anyway, so, yeah. I'm only being mean to him because he was being mean to me.
I would never.
And there's people on the beach. And people down there. People in the water. And this is way, way, way down from Pig Beach, which is on the other
Beach is
side.
around that point.
Yeah. Way the heck away. And there's Imp just sitting there. And look at that water.
If anybody wonders what kind of timeline this is on, this is when we reached Staniel Key after our big sail. We were out of water. So we wanted to obviously make water when we got settled. Get settled, try to turn on the water maker, and nope.
And we got that.
And that's what we got.
What's broken now?
What's broken now, Captain Dave?
Okay, on our water maker, you have a Clark pump, you have a feed pump. The feed pump is electric, and when you do this, it should come on. But instead what's coming on is just the cooling fan that somebody added to it.
Usually makes a lot more noise.
Yeah. So the first thing you check when that happens, because this is a sure flow pump, and sure flow pump use pressure switches, is I've unplugged the leads off the pressure switch. I pulled these two leads off the bottom. They're the pressure switch leads, and I'm just going to short them out. And what that does is just bypass the pressure switch.
That's the noise it's supposed to make.
The pump works great. The problem is the switch is hyped. So now I got to find a way to get this pump off and change that switch, and hopefully it takes the same switch as our water pumps do.
Fingers crossed, guys.
So I could just bypass the switch for now and make water, but that's not the responsible thing to do.
The other part of the dangerous issue that we have going on right now is that is sitting up on its edges. And we are in a rocky anchorage right now. The reason that it's rocky is because we have those tour boats that go speeding by and wake us. So I'm hoping that this thing doesn't fall down on his head.
It could happen.
It's dangerous working in a boat.
There's 3 screws that hold the pressure switch on. Mm-hmm. One is a very long one at the back, 2 small ones here at the front. And then we're gonna get some water leakage, but that really didn't need to happen. The whole switch just fell apart. Now I gotta figure out how to rebuild it. There's the pressure switch, which feels fine, but it has failed. But now I got all this.
So I found the switch, and Dave did a side-by-side, and it looks like it's the same switch. So I'm gonna take that as a small win. Every little win. Okay.
These switches fail all the time. The entire pressure switch assembly fell apart when I tried to take it off the bottom of the motor, so now I've got to figure out how it goes back together again. The person who installed this cut the wires for the pump switch so short, you have to take the pump switch apart to plug it in.
Yikes.
Very, very, very bad idea. In theory, it's going back together now. There's also no way of getting this pump off because of the way it's installed without disassembling this entire thing. All of it's got to come out for this pump to come off.
Wow.
Which is not how I'd have done it.
How you say not a warm and fuzzy?
Not a warm and fuzzy. But see, I'm a technician, I'm not an engineer. So I know that stuff needs to be repaired in the field.
Yeah.
Whereas engineers like it to be, well, engineering. Mm-hmm. All right. The new switch is installed. Mm-hmm. It's reassembled. Now,
yeah.
Look inside, see if it's building pressure.
It is.
It's getting really hard to read the ball valve because the water's disgusting in there. Mm-hmm. And so I opened it up to clean it out, and look at this.
Oh, wow.
That's nasty. So I thought I'd do this because this I can do fairly easily. And I'll feel like I accomplished something.
Here, let me help you.
None for me, thanks. I have one. Cracking.
Cheers all. It's really hard to be upset when this is your view. Look at this. It's just gorgeous here. And I can't wait to dive in this water. And we've already seen the first shark. Okay. Completely buried. She's really buried good. We're going nowhere. What are we doing today, Captain Dave?
We're gonna go get some fuel, and then we're gonna go get.
And we're gonna get on get?
We're gonna get on get.
Okay.
We're gonna go down to Black Point, do a little laundry, and then maybe bugger off to White Point or Farmers Key or somewhere not here.
There's a plane over there.
There is.
And somebody else is leaving.
Maybe they're collecting up a pig from Big Beach.
Maybe. Okay. And where are we leaving from here?
We are at Big Majors Cay.
What are you doing now, Captain Dave?
Hovering.
So we're waiting for this charter cat to leave. And we're next in line. It wasn't really a lineup when we got here, which was great. It's just this boat and a smaller little skiff. But it just, in Bahamas, everything's slow.
And you want to stay out of the channel as much as you can, but you got to stay in the channel, stay off the pilings, but you want to stay off the pilings so you go close to the channel. But you need to stay out of the channel because people are going by, and then you need to be off the pilings.
So that's Dave's bitch for the day. He only gets one. Now he's backing up again to keep us off, while we continue to wait for the people to get off the dock.
It takes time to fill the engines, and then you got to walk up to the office.
Go pay for it.
Yeah.
So
Process.
it is a process.
And now there's somebody else in line, and that looks like an Island Spirit. Yeah, that's knee deep. We've been on that boat.
There's another Island Spirit here with us. Right here.
So they got a bow spread. I like that. How close am I to that piling? Close enough? dark won't mind.
So we're leaving Staniel Key behind. We got some diesel. We took us up to half a tank on either side, which is great. So bye Staniel Key. And we're headed out to Black Point.